an entrepreneur to his core, and while he does not define himself by that, and I get it's all about unity, he actually knows how to execute, and that's why it's important to me that he has the skill set of an entrepreneur, because he's not an empty dreamer who's pulling all of this stuff out of the ether to sound good. He questions everything. He is doing things in a new way.
What happens to your brain when you meditate? Well, drops blood pressure, and it actually gives you a healthier heart. It slows down aging. I'm actually 84.
I use the word culturescape to describe the collective web of human beliefs, ideas, understandings, rituals, religions, culture as it surrounds us. But within this web of the culturescape, there are rules that help us move forward, and there are rules which I call rules or bullshit rules that hold us back. Unity is that answer. Unity should be the number one principle we teach our children. That yes, they can embrace the flag of their country, but that we really as a species need an earth flag.